Welcome to the Moringa Development Corporation. At the Moringa Development Corporation, we have really one assignment, and the assignment is really the commercialization of Moringa in the Comesa region. The commercialization of Moringa because we want the whole of the Comesa region to begin to understand the power that is in the Moringa tree. Moringa tree is really a superfood. It is a superfood which is yet to be discovered by nations, by countries that need to use this miracle plant for ending malnutrition, but also for agroforestry. So what are we? What are our services? Our services incorporate really promotion of the growing of Moringa plantation, the utilization of Moringa, and also promoting using Moringa as a tree crop so that we can be able to combat climate change. As you know that climate change has come to us, and because of climate change, we have changing weather patterns, we have droughts, we have all these kind of things. Most of those are there because we do not have sufficient trees. We have finished our trees by cutting trees for charcoal or for agriculture, and now we need to start efforts of planting these trees. Why Moringa? Moringa is because it's a superfood which can be used for human consumption, can be used for livestock consumption. It means that if you want to use the seed, then the Moringa tree can be left to grow just like any other tree. You can also use the Moringa trees to create woodlots in communities. But also growing Moringa tree will help us combat climate change in that we will be re-engineering the vegetation that we need for our crops. So why are we promoting this? We're promoting this because we believe strongly that consumption and utilization of Moringa in homes will help a lot of families really combat malnutrition. As you know, most of Zambia is over 40% malnourished. We have stunted kids who do not perform well in class, and the solution is in a cheaper product called Moringa. So growing this Moringa, and you can utilize Moringa from the pod, which represents the seed. You can use the bark of the trees, you can use the roots, you can use the leaf. Everything on Moringa can be utilized. But most of all, the Moringa leaf is used for making tea, the Moringa powder for you to be able to make sure that all the foods that you eat are fortified. So if you want to access any of our services, please don't hesitate to call the number below, and we'll be able to serve you as we promote the commercialization of Moringa in the Comesa region. Because that's our aim, to make sure that in promoting that in the Comesa region, we create a market, we create also ability of communities to utilize this miracle plant. Thank you. God bless.